Hi everyone, it's Danielle here from YL Sunshine Diamonds, and today I'm going to discuss oils for fitness and keeping nice and fit. But before I get started, I'd love you to click like on this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, YL Sunshine Diamonds. The first supplement I'm going to talk about is Ningxia Red. Now it comes in a little sachet and it also comes in a bottle like so. And if you have a look, see how there's little pulp down here? This pulp down here, you need to shake it. So make sure before you drink Ningxia Red, you always give it a shake each time just to make sure all the pulp is actually in it, because this is not just a juice, this has actually got the fruit pulp in there as well. And I can keep it in the fridge. It lasts up to 30 days. And it has been cherished for centuries for its health, energy, and longevity benefits. And I drink about 15 mils daily to energize, fortify, and revitalize the body and support overall wellness from head to toe. I feel more energetic and motivated. Ningxia Zing. This is really great for parties because it comes in a can and it looks like you're socially fitting in with everybody else, but it's a natural energy drink and it gives a refreshing energy boost, and it's full of flavor without any artificial flavors and preservatives. And some people like to mix these two together, so they'll actually put this in here. And you can also, if you want, put the oils into the can or tip the can into a glass and then put some oils in there as well for some extra flavor. Our muscles need magnesium and calcium, and MegaCal is an excellent source of calcium, magnesium, manganese, and vitamin C. You add 5 grams of the powder to 240 mils of water or juice, and then you have a drink. The next supplement is Mineral Essence for those fitness people out there. It's a natural liquid mineral complex containing full spectrum ionic minerals. And ionic minerals are the most fully and quickly absorbed form of minerals available. And look at how many minerals there are in this one little bottle. So you need to take 5 mils in the morning and evening, or as needed. Most people just take it in the morning, but it's best to take it and put it into the Ningxia Red. And those who know why will know why we prefer to put it in the Ningxia Red and not in water. Anyway, ask me if you want to know. The next supplement we all like to take is Acknowledgements. And Acknowledgements is a fish oil supplement, but it also contains CoQ10 and vitamin D3 all in one supplement. So I will provide a link below because I've got a video just on this supplement. But in terms of fitness, this supplement maintains energy levels in adults and enhances general health and well-being in adults. It supports bone health in adults and maintains healthy cardiovascular system function and mental function in adults. All adults want these benefits when training and competing. Now, our deodorant, all athletes want to have a deodorant that works, but we want a natural deodorant without any aluminium, parabens, and fragrance and toxic ingredients like that. So here are some suggestions. Some people use the Thieves toothpaste. Some people use the Thieves hand sanitizer. Some people use purification oil. Some people use the Young Living deodorant. And it's just a matter of working out what is best for your body. The next product that people love to use in Young Living is peppermint oil. A study in 2001 showed that inhaling peppermint oil can promote fitness benefits. They had 20 women and 20 men volunteer. Yes, just inhaling this oil had fantastic results. Number 1, the runners finished the 400-meter dash faster. Number 2, the athletes showed significant increase in hand grip strength. And number 3, exercisers completed more push-ups and performed until they were totally exhausted. So next time exercises in the cards, test this study and put 1 or 2 drops of peppermint in your left hand like so. So you put it in like this. Like so, and then you rub it in 3 circles, and this rotates the molecules, and then you can breathe it in. And that's all it takes. But I also like to rub it on my chest and my neck to continue to get the benefits of inhaling it. So check out the graph on this. There are many essential oils that can be utilized for a fitness routine. I like to use ones like Deep Relief, Energy, wintergreen, panaway, cypress, lemongrass, marjoram, spruce, and aromaceas. For those familiar with these oils, you will know all about the benefits for fitness. I encourage you to look up these oils and see what benefits you can have for your fitness routine. Which Young Living product is your favourite for fitness?